Round one. Get ready. Fight.
Up and away!
Holy PG.
It's off! Bullseye! Feel the heat! Bullseye! Feel the heat!
Here goes.
Getting hot around here!
For the shoot.
This one's worse!
Olympus Overstring, I failed you! Wins! Round two. Get ready. Fight. SPG.
Dropping it! Bullseye! Feel the heat! Feel the heat!
Holy Here goes. SPG.
It's off!
Here goes.
Getting hot around here!
Tizoc wins. Final round. Get ready. Fight. SPG. Wait. For the children.
Feel the heat! Feel the heat! Feel the heat! Feel the heat!
Tizoc wins.
Lethal weapons are never permitted in the wrestling ring. However, that does not mean I cannot handle it. Still, I find your tricks insulting. You underestimate my skills.
Round one. Get ready. Fight.
It's off! Up and away!
Holy shit!
Feel the heat! Feel the heat! Bullseye! Feel the heat! Feel the heat! That hurt!
Fight and wait! I fear it first!
Damn!
Magnum Tizoc!
Feel the heat! Getting hot around here! Fire!
This hurricane! Tizoc wins. Round two. Get ready. Fight. SPG. Olympus Overstring.
Feel the heat! Bullseye! Feel the heat! Feel the heat! It's off! Feel the heat! Idiots! Out with you! Feel the heat!
I swear
Feel the heat!
I cannot lose like this. Final round. Get ready. Fight. SPG. Olympus Overstring.
Feel the heat! Feel the heat! Yeah!
Perfect day. Billy wins.
How about leaving the pro ring and going underground? Throw on a dinosaur mask or something and join our fight club. The money's not half bad, you know.
Round 1. Get ready. Fight. SPT.
Yeah! Feel the heat! Yeah!
SPT.
Up and away! Mind the star! Back you go! Holy shit! Damn!
Active time bomb.
Come on!
Tizoc wins. Round 2. Get ready. Fight. SPT.
Feel the heat! Yeah! Yeah! Bullseye! Feel the heat! Bullseye! Feel the heat! Up and away! Yeah! Bullseye! Feel the heat! Yeah! Getting hot around here!
For the children.
Bullseye!
I cannot lose. Wait there. Final round. Get ready. Fight. It's over. SPT. Go. Artemis. Take this.
It's getting hot around here!
I swear on my
Feel the heat! Mind the star! Back you go! That hurt! This one's worse! Come on, getting hot around here!
Wait.
How about leaving the pro ring and going underground? Throw on a dinosaur mask or something and join our fight club. The money's not half bad, you know.